Everybody, I'm Corey from Performance and Customs. Today we got a break in the weather here. So lately we've been having some crappy weather. We've had snow, then rain, and more snow and more rain. So got a break in the weather. We're gonna go ahead and do this light video. That's why we got these blacked out fog lights is down here, and then we're gonna be changing out the headlights. The fog light bulb. So we're gonna go ahead and show you why. So I went to go and change out the fog light bulbs. Show you guys this one. That is the Luyed 880. And I went to go and change this one out. And as you can see, it's broken off inside there. So instead of just fighting to get that light bulb back out, I wanted smoke winds anyways. So I went ahead and got these guys right here. The only difference, oh no, those are plastic too. Okay, never mind. So I'll leave the link in the description down below for all the lights and the lenses. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here we're underneath the truck. First thing we're going to do is we're going to twist this light out. Sorry, my hands are probably going to get in the way a few times. Okay, so there's our light that's broken. And you just pull the tab, pull it out, and then it's a 10 millimeter socket, and you got 2 bolts. So just crack those loose. Set the bolts off to the side. And then just twist this up out of the way and right out. And there we got that one. So then for your next new one, you just take and slide it. There we go. Back in there. Take the bolts again that came off it. He's not going to fit. Okay, so we got that one out, and those bolts that came off the other one do not fit the new one, and the new one didn't come with any bolts. So we're going to run over to the parts store real quick and grab some new nuts to go on the new fog light lens, and we'll be right back. Alright, so we're back. They ended up working. So let's put this thing back in there. Okay. And then let's get these bolts to work. So I got the one. I'll tighten that up a little bit later. But this thing right here is to adjust, and I'll show you guys on the outside, but it's to adjust the angle of the light. So whether you want it aiming down or straight up or whatever. So these do come with put that in real quick to grab it. They do come with factory light bulbs in them, but we're going to be replacing them with the Luyed LEDs. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. Okay, so here is, oh, there we go. Here is the new Luyed LED 880. So we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. Flip down. Let's see it goes in just like that. And then twist it into place. Okay, so there's that one. Like I said, I'll tighten that down a little bit later. We're gonna go ahead and move over to the other side. Okay, so we're on to the other side, same thing. You're gonna twist this out. Come on. There we go. And this has got the new Luyed LED in it, so we're gonna leave that on. Grab our 10mm ratchet. Okay, get this other side. Now once you get them unloosened, I'd recommend grabbing the housing on the outside so they don't fall out because they are plastic. And try and use your hand to undo the bolts, unless you can't. Come on. Okay. And just pull it directly out again. Slide the new one in. Come on. We had the same problem over on the other side. Tighten that up later. We'll just go ahead and get this light in there so you guys can see what they look like, because I'm excited to see what they look like too. Alright, let's jump out and take a look. And there they are. Let's see if I can back up and so let's go ahead and turn them on for you guys real quick. Well, unfortunately, it is daytime, so my truck will not let me turn them on. I tried to find the sensor and cover it up, but I don't know if I got the right one. So I'll do a picture for you guys or something. Maybe I'll do a night video for you guys of them or something to show them off, since I told you I was going to. So, but there's how you install them, and that's what they look like on the 02 Chevy Tahoe. So if you guys like this video at any time, hit me with the thumbs up. If you guys have not subscribed, subscribe for more videos. And like always, thanks for watching.